Action!
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma.
How are you?
Fine, ma.
Yes, we are on our way to Osun Grove. This place we are going was dedicated to the Yoruba Orisha, Osun the Benevolent. The place was developed by this Austrian-born artist, Susan Wenger, popularly called Aduni Oloisha. Osun Grove has been recognized and honored as a World Heritage Site.
Ma, who was she? Was she real? Did she really live?
What period was that?
Alright, yes, historians tell us Osun lived around the 15th century. And she was even the second wife of Alaafin Sango from Oyo Kingdom. When we get to the grove, you will learn more about Osun.
And action! Action! Okay. Yeah.
So creative. Can you see the design? Sango, why testing the potency of your dreaded fire-invoking charm? In a fit of hunger, you destroyed your palace and your people at Oyokoro with no consideration of the love you promised your people, without remembering the love you have for her, Osun, your wife, and the two others, Oba and Oyatinuke. You have vindicated your exalted throne. How the sword destroyed his own shed. And so, end the story of the royal palace.
kan. Ìgbẹ́kùn ṣoṣo ọ̀bọ nítorí o. Òkùnkùn bírímù bó ní tọrùn. Adébábúndá ń lọ́wọ́ tí ìjọmọ bíbí a ní àgbọ̀nìrègùn ikú dà sí. Gbogbo aburú tí ń bẹ lọ́nà ẹ yàgò lọ́nà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ lọ́wọ́ ó lọ ẹ yàgò lọ́nà. Àṣé èrí ló ń bẹ lọ́nà ó ẹ yàgò lọ́nà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ lọ́wọ́ ó lọ ẹ yàgò lọ́nà.
Watch your feet, Baba. This one is very penetrating, and these stones are sharp and tough.
Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you. It's been 3 months now since you left Lejamo.
Baba.
To honor the invitations for divination at Ile Alara and Ile Ajero. But now people will be cranking their necks to see us return home. Baba. Don't kill me. Who are you? Woman. Who are you? Baba.
The rainfall is not on earth, and we are all dressed. Such a wonderful creator. And she must be one of the genes in this forest.
Yeah, funny enough, she has this royal... Who are you? Don't you have a people?
I am Osun. New destination in this dangerous forest. Whoever runs in a turning grassland, Baba, does so for a purpose.
That's true. That's true. But my own candid advice to you is just maybe you should go back to where you are coming from. Go to your people. You are safer in the midst of your people. May the God save you from all this. We are just coming from Ile Alara in Nigeria where we went for divination. May the gods protect you and
Baba, please wait. When the river flows,
yes,
it does not look back. Wherever is your destination, please, Baba, let me follow you. Baba.
Anyway, since you are so determined, follow me to Ile Ijamo.
Thank you, Baba. Hey, Omi o, Omi. Agba o, Omi o. Ẹ̀dọ̀. Omi o. Ọ̀tá o, ẹ̀rí o. Àgbà o. Àgbà ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Omi o. Àgbà ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Omi o. Àgbà ẹ̀rí o. Ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Omi o. Ọ̀ṣun dákun lórí àṣà mi. Ẹ̀rí o. Àgbà o. Àgbà ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Omi. Ọ̀tá o. Ẹ̀rí o. Àgbà o. Àgbà ẹ̀dọ̀ o. Omi o. Ọ̀ṣun.
Bàbá mi ti dé. Ọkọ mi ti dé.
Oh,
You're welcome, my husband.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
How How was your journey?
We thank Ifa, we thank Ifa. And now my people in Lejamo.
Things are well with us here, except many that frequent here for divination. Try to make us sick of the vacuum your journey created.
Anyway, Ududu.
Baba.
This is Osun, our guest. Osun.
Yes, Baba.
This is my wife, Ududu, my very good wife.
How are you? You are welcome.
Ududu, please take proper care of her.
Yeah, I will. I wish you well, ma. Follow me here. Yes, sir.
Osun. Osun.
Baba.
Indigo making.
Yes, Baba. It's just that I detest idleness. That's all.
Well, since your mind tells you this is what you can do, may you prosper in it.
Ashe, Baba.
You shall prosper in it.
Ashe, Baba. Thank you very much, Baba. Thank you.
Osun. Osun, why do you want to leave village Jamo? Why? Haven't I been a very good host to you since all these 3 years?
Not like that, Baba. In fact, a dog does not forget its helper. So I am to be grateful for all you have done for me. But I believe I have not reached the end of my journey. That's all.
Anyway, next time the girls who has helped you to start and complete the learning of this your indigo job. And this is to guide you in your future endeavor.
Yes.
Anyway, you will prosper in it.
Ashe.
You will prosper in it. And I pray that the girls will support you and assist you wherever you go.
Ashe, Baba.
Anyway, tonight I will prepare the things you will need for your next job.
Thank you, Baba. I'm grateful, Baba.
Osun. Osun.
Yes, Baba.
Iṣẹ́ yẹ́yẹ́ mi ọ́, Olúodò òré yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun o, ọlọ́mọ yọ̀yọ̀ wá bá mi ṣe, jọ̀wọ́ bá mi ṣe o, òré yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun, jọ̀wọ́ bá mi ṣe o, òré yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun. Adíndíndín, adíndíndín, Ọ̀ṣun ṣẹ̀ǹgẹ̀ṣẹ̀ olóyàyìn. Jọ̀wọ́ bá mi ṣe o, òré yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun. Jọ̀wọ́ bá mi ṣe o, òré yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun. Ẹ kórè yẹ́yẹ́ o, ẹ kórè yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun. Ẹ kórè yẹ́yẹ́ o, ẹ kórè yẹ́yẹ́ Ọ̀ṣun. Ọlọ́mọ nìyá o, ọlọ́mọ nìyá Ọ̀ṣun. Ọ̀ṣun kọ yẹ̀yẹ́ o, Ọ̀ṣun kọ yẹ̀yẹ́ yín. Olómi àgbọn o, olómi àgbọn gbẹ.
oreye ye o oreye ye o oreye ye o Ọ̀ṣun oníbú ọrẹ Ọ̀ṣun oníbú ọrẹ Ọ̀ṣun ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ṣẹ́ olóyàáyù awẹ́dẹ́wẹ̀rìṣà ìyá aláró ìyá olódò oreye ye o oreye ye o ẹ̀ẹ́dọ̀ o omi o àgbá o ẹ̀ẹ́dọ̀ o ọ̀tá o oreye ye o oreye ye o omi o ọ̀tá o àgbá o ẹ̀ẹ́dù o ọ̀tá o oreye ye o omi ń wọ́rọ̀ yìí gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ omi ń wọ́rọ̀ yìí gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ omi ò lápá omi ò lẹ́sẹ̀ omi wọ́n yanrìn gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ omi wọ́n yanrìn gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ omi wọ́n yanrìn gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ omi ò lápá omi ò lẹ́sẹ̀ omi wọ́n yanrìn gẹ́rẹ́rẹ́ oreye ye o Ọ̀ṣun oníbú ọrẹ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ṣẹ́ olóyàáyù awẹ́dẹ́wẹ̀rìṣà ìyá aláró ìyá olódò oníbú ọrẹ oreye ye o ẹ̀ẹ́dọ̀ o ọ̀tá o omi o àgbá o.
It's hot. A Femi Lasode film.